Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Mugdha Rokde, and first of all, I hope you all are being safe. And yeah, I'm back. Like, do you even remember who I am? Like, I clearly have forgotten that I have a YouTube channel where I used to love creating content. But due to this whole quarantine situation, like, dude, my personality has changed so freaking much. I don't even recognize myself. I've been having such bad moods lately. My social life sucks. I'm just very bored. Because of that, I kinda became very less motivated. I didn't have any motivation to work. I used to not get up early on time. I used to sleep late. I used to like sleep at 6 o'clock in the morning and stuff like that. So my whole schedule was like effed up, but I'm trying to make it better, so that's an improvement. Earlier, when the lockdown had just begun, there was like this pressure on content creators to like, oh, you have so much time in your hands right now, so you know, you should create more quality content, you should post every day and things like that. And earlier I actually fell into this trap, and I just couldn't handle pressure and I freaked out. I didn't know what to do because like there was this huge competition going on all over my social media, and you know, because of this whole social media pressure, I just felt so depressed because there were so many bad things happening in this whole quarantine lockdown time. So many great people died, and I was experiencing distance for the first time because I've never actually appreciated the time that I was living. I always focused on the past or the future. I never actually lived in the present, and this whole lockdown has made me realize how much living in the present matters, and that made me realize so many things, so many of my own mistakes. And you know, I started realizing how important it is to be connected with our friends, families, and how important it is to spend time with them. You never know when you might not get to live that moment again, right? And distance was like really messing with my head, and I just couldn't manage my own emotions and my own thoughts, and it was so depressing. It was so saddening. I swear I was just not in the right place. Then I thought to myself that, you know, if you think that you are not at your best place and your mental health is not acting up properly, then I think you should give your mental health the priority and not give F's about what's happening on social media. So that's why I stopped creating content for a while. I took a break, and now that I've come to this realization that I am trying, right? So if I'm creating content on my Instagram, I can at least, you know, make vlogs on my YouTube. I'm gonna look at the bright side and try to pick out all the positive things that happen in day. Yeah, I think it would be a fun time to like vlog. I have no plans. I'm just gonna go with the flow, and it's just gonna be a random vlog, guys, so just have fun watching it. And yeah, we should just get started with this vlog. Hi y'all. So I just came out of the shower. It's evening time right now, and as you can see, I haven't even changed. I'm still in my bathrobe. So basically the plan for today is that we're going to be filming a dance performance along with the other students of our dance class. And basically my mom is a dance teacher. She teaches Bharatanatyam, Bollywood and freestyle, and we also have our own Facebook page by the name Nupur Dance Class, which is our dance class's name. So please follow it if you are interested for like good dance coaching classes and dance performances which are like super interesting. And yeah, I'm just gonna get ready. I'm gonna have this little hat. This is my favorite snack nowadays. It's so classic, and I love eating this. So I'm just gonna get ready while I eat this, and I'll see you on the other side. Hi guys, so I'm all glammed up and shit right now because as I told you that we're gonna be filming a dance video today, and we are gonna perform on Namo Namo Ji Shankara Bholenath Shankara from the film Kedarnath, and that's why I have this dramatic liner and this huge ass bindi, and that's what my whole outfit looks like. It's all nice and dressy. We're wearing this dhoti sari, which I love. It looks so pretty and I'm obsessed. So we're just gonna go and get done with this quickly because we don't want to miss out on the good lighting, as the sun has like already set, and we're gonna make use of what we have. So yeah, you'll be watching us dance over and just messing it up for a while, and I'm sure at the end things will turn out to be good. Yeah, bus.
1, 2, 3, 4. Taitaha, Taitaha. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Your hands use the hands.
वन कलर काय आहे तैनच तै आहे ना.
So we just wrapped up and I'm also very tired because this dance routine was not easy, you guys. I mean, I've like danced a lot throughout my entire life, and this has to be like one of the most difficult ones that I have done, and I have to thank my mom a lot because she's been so patient with me. I was like messing it up completely. It's like, you know, abhi mera thoda dance karna kam ho gaya hai. I've like left it in between, and I will be inserting a little clip of the dance routine up next, so watch it. And also I will be putting down the link of the dance in the description box. So my mom also has a YouTube channel, so please go and check that out. So yeah, now I'm just gonna go change. It's so hot, you can literally see I'm so much sweaty, and yeah, this is what, ignore the mess, and this is what has been happening. And I had fun dressing up after a long time, so yay. So it's the next day and I am looking super crusty, and that's why I thought of doing like a small pamper routine. So I've made a hair mask. I just took some dahi, some honey and 1 spoon of multani mitti. It's like really good for your hair. It cures dandruff and itchy scalp, and during monsoons we all face it, right? So that's how it looks. I'm trying really hard not to drop it anywhere or make a mess out of it. At the end of it, I know it might look a bit weird, but trust me, it's like really good for your hair and for your scalp. So gotta do what you gotta do, guys. So I have my hair mask on, and I thought of doing a face mask as well. So I used the same multani mitti thing with some honey and water, as simple and classic as it can get. Multani mitti just fixes everything. You know, I can actually see the results whenever I apply it. I actually feel like my skin just gets deeply cleansed. So I really enjoy putting on this mask. I've been doing like this really yummy honey and sugar scrubs and coffee masks and lip tints and things like that. So like, if you guys are interested to know what all the masks are, then I would really like to film that video. Just let me know in the comment section below, and I would like film it anytime if you guys want some help. आपण दोघांनी पण केसाला काहीतरी लावलंय. तू काय लावलंय?
कलर
मी मास्क लावलाय. मम्मा, माझा कालचा डान्स कसा होता?
अप्रतिम, सुंदर. बऱ्याच दिवसांनी तुला क्लासिकल करताना बघितलं.
पण कसा होता ते सांग.
खूप वैताग आणलास मला शिकवायला तुला.
खूप सतावलं.
मला परफेक्शन लागतं, माहिती ना तुला.
एक्झॅक्टली.
तुझ्याकडनं करून घेताना मला त्रास होतो आणि तुला परफेक्ट त्याच्यासाठी रियाज लागतो मुलगा. एकाच दिवसात नाही येत क्लासिकल.
Right. Hey guys, so few days ago I received this parcel from a brand called Blue Nectar, and they sent in their Kumkumadi serum and they wanted me to review it for you guys. From that day I kept this into isolation for a few days, so I thought I'll just open the package and show it to you guys. So this serum is called Blue Nectar Kumkumadi Radiance Glow Night Serum, and basically Kumkumadi is an Indian ingredient which has been used by Indians since a very long time, and that's why skincare brands like these are incorporating Kumkumadi as a main ingredient into their products lately. So basically what this claims is this is a traditional Ayurvedic anti-aging serum to illuminate and add glow to your skin, just like I said, and it also consists of 26 vital herbs like saffron, sandalwood, etc. It helps to reduce fine lines and pigmentation, and it's very easy to use. It just says that gently apply few drops on moist skin using fingertips and gently massage oil into the skin. This is mineral oil and preservative free, so it is a really good thing which you can apply onto your skin without any worries. I literally love how they have not used much plastic. They've just packaged their products into cardboard boxes like these, and inside it looks something like this. So inside it comes with this main serum and a dropper like this. So these two go together, and along with this dropper you just drop it onto your skin and massage it gently. I'll be trying it on for a few days on myself. I'll see how it works, and if it really works good then I'll be putting a review of it on my Instagram. So if you want to know how this worked out, if you want an update on this one, then follow me on my Instagram and check the review out of this product. And yeah, really hoping good stuff from this product. We have come to the end of this vlog, guys. I had such a fun filming this vlog after so long, and let me know what else you would like to watch on my vlogs. I can even get like my mom and dad, my friends on this channel, and have like a Q&A thing going on, or some challenge or something like that. If you have any suggestions, as I told you before, then please put them down in the description box. I would love to work on them. I really love reading your suggestions and love making videos on them. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching it and found this entertaining. I will see you guys very soon in my next one. Till then,